Hello everyone, and welcome to another session with Ascent Consult. And today we are going to be talking about a very interesting and informative topic, which is how to write a winning business proposal. So there is a business proposal and there is also a winning business proposal. First of all, let us start with what a proposal is, or what proposal writing is. Proposal writing is the act of creating a written pitch on a given subject. And there are requirements for a good proposal. A good proposal requires forethought, understanding of your audience, and creative writing to persuade the reader. And when writing a proposal professional, either a proposal writer or proposal manager, will outline the key requirements for such proposal. That means all requirements should be outlined before, and then you should put thought into it before writing such proposal. Also, what is a winning proposal? A winning proposal takes input from all stakeholders and tells a compelling story that speaks to the customer's specific challenges and needs. So a winning proposal, you have to put in a lot of thought and a lot of thinking into it, and you have to tell a compelling story that will speak to the customer's specific challenges and needs in order for the customer to be convinced to invest or to go with your proposal. So there are two types of proposals. We have a solicited proposal and unsolicited proposal. Solicited proposal is the type of proposal in which the client or customer requested for it, while unsolicited is a proposal where it wasn't requested for but you sent it in order to gain a client or something of that sort. So moving forward, we'll be discussing elements or important parts or things you should put into consideration when writing your business proposal. The first one is to begin with a title page. So the title page, what is included in the title page? It contains the project title, also the contact details of the organization or the client, and also there are some basic important information that has to be in the title page. You have to introduce yourself and your business, include your name, your company name, the date you submitted the proposal, and the name of the client or individual you are submitting the proposal to. And remember that the title of the proposal should be catchy and should capture the essence of the offer or the project. Also, your title page should reconcile engagement with professionalism, because it is a tone setter, so you need to make sure it is sleek, aesthetically appealing, and not too out there. Like, it shouldn't be all over the place. So we'll move on to the second element of proposal writing. You have to create a table of contents. So remember how in your textbooks when you were in school, how it has table of contents that shows you, okay, what is in this particular page and all that. So this is very important for a solid user interface, whether it is virtual or physical business proposal. So, and it doesn't just apply, a table of content doesn't just apply to textbooks and stuff. It is very important for a business proposal. So you need to, in your table of contents, you need to make things very simple and accessible as possible, so that the people on the other side of the proposal can understand the start and finish of the table of contents. The table of contents will let your potential clients know exactly what will be covered in the business proposal. And if you are sending your business proposal electronically, maybe through mail or through text, it helps to include a clickable table of content that will jump to the different sections of your proposal for easy reading and navigation. For example, if you say page 1 and 2 is for introduction, let's say your clients might want to move into your executive summary. So you should put, okay, let's say a clickable link, or it should be in a way that when they click on this, it can just move the client or whoever is viewing the proposal to wherever they want to go to easily. This will make it easy for them to navigate through your business proposal. The third one is executive summary. Explain your why. The executive summary details is exactly why you are sending the proposal. Why is your solution the best? Why are you the best option for them? These are questions that you should answer in your executive summary. So, And also, your executive summary outlines the benefit of your company's products or services and how they can solve the client's problem. So earlier on I said that your executive summary explains the why your solution is the best and why you are the best option for them. So this just makes the your client understand, okay, why are you like the suitable option for them, why should they pick you. And to set the right tone, it is important that you are able to address why, how, and what of a proposal in your executive summary. That is, why do you want to start a particular service? What is the particular problem you want to solve? How relates to the approach you will use to resolve the problem? How are you going to solve the problem that whatever for the needs of the client? And also, what refers to the goals you want to achieve at the end of the project or business. Then there are some points you should keep in mind when summarizing the proposals. Number one, why the business proposed is important. Second one is, what is the problem you are addressing? How do you intend to solve the problem? And what is the total duration for the proposed project? So for the executive summary, it doesn't have to be written at the beginning. You can write your executive summary after you finish writing the whole business proposal. So you already have all your content, and you can now go ahead to summarize the content in your executive summary. Then we'll go over to the fourth one, which is state the problem or need. This is where you provide a summary of the issue impacting the potential client, investor, or target area. It provides you with the opportunity to show them that you clearly understand their needs and the problem they need help solving. This is a very important section of the proposal. It presents the argument of why your idea needs to be invested in, and it describes the issues and problems that a particular area faces and how your organization will address the given problem. So before, some points that you should consider when drafting this part is, what is the problem? What are important facts related to the problem? Why is your organization suited to carry out such a project? What are the key actions that you carry out as a part of the project, and what are the expected results of this project? Also, it is important to know that there is no standard rule for writing this, and what experts consider when writing the rationale for statement of the problem. One is situation analysis. This will explore the content, situation of the area. Then purpose, here you should talk about why it is important to solve the particular problem. Organizational strengths. In this section, you focus on your organization's strengths and past experiences in resolving similar issues. The fifth part is to propose a solution. Here you offer a strategy for solving the problem, whatever needs or challenges of your client. And you need to lean into specificity and personalization on this one. Make sure that your proposed solution is customized to the client's specific needs. This is very important, so they know that you've created this proposal specially and specifically for them. And this is where you set, in proposing a solution, you have to set SMART goals. SMART as in SMART, which means specific. Your goals should be specific, measurable, attainable, realistic, and time-bound statements. What is a goal? A goal is a broad statement that defines what you plan to do in a project. Always remember that a well-written goal statement is a marketing tool, and it will help you seal your deal with your clients. Moving further, we'll talk about how to frame a quality goal. First thing on the list is avoid vagueness. This goal should clearly indicate the purpose of your proposal and specify certain aspects of the project. So avoid being vague or indefinition in your project. Always state things clearly and be specific. Also, the second one is to link the goal with the problem statement. Then also use a simple language to write a goal. Then keep only one goal for your proposal. So for your proposal, it is a good practice to have a single goal for your project, as the goal is a broad statement, so it will spread across other things that need to be solved. The sixth part is to share your qualifications. Are you qualified to solve the client's problem? Why should they trust you? So you have to use this section of the business proposal to communicate why you are best for the job. This is basically where you have to sell yourself, sell your brand, and just put yourself out there that okay, this is we're qualified to do this and everything. Whether you're a small business or a new organization. And also in this part, there are some four thoughts need to go into this. So if you're a new organization or a startup, you have to know your competitors, know what they usually offer, in order to know how to frame your qualifications and put it out there to your clients. The seventh part is to include budget or pricing options. So pricing is where things can get a bit tricky, as you don't want to underprice or overprice your products. And if you'd like to provide the prospect with a few pricing options for their budget, include an optional fee table. Then the eighth one is summarize with a conclusion. After providing all the information above, it is necessary to simplify it into one final section. So you have to briefly summarize the proposal, touch on your qualifications and why you serve as the best choice. And at the end of the proposal, the goal is to have the clients ready to work with you. That is why it is called a winning proposal. Then the ninth one is to clarify your terms and conditions. This is where you go into detail about the project timeline, pricing, payment schedules. It is essentially a summary of what you and the client agreed to if they accept your proposal. So clarifying your terms and conditions. So where here you just put okay, the agreement, in case, of course, you expect that when writing a proposal, you hope for the client or customer to accept your proposal. So here, this part is where you put certain agreements, lay down things in case your customer accepts your proposal. Make sure your terms and conditions are clear, and have a meeting with your legal team before sending such proposals to your client. And the last one is include a space for signatures and document agreement. So include a signature box for the client to sign and let them know exactly what they are agreeing to when they sign. Also, I'll give a summary of all what I've been saying. So here are the checklists for strong proposals. Start with an outline, include data and visuals, add social proof, incorporate videos into your proposal. This is especially needed when you're presenting, when you are doing like a physical presentation to your client. Use a call to action, include a sell and add-on opportunities, create a sense of urgency, keep it simple, make decisions for them, stay on brand, quality control, and stay on brand. Thank you very much for joining us today. Please follow us on all our social media platforms and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and continue to join us on our weekly live sessions. We do this every Wednesday. Thank you.